National highways are the main long distance roadways in India and one of the highly used means of transport. They play a significant role in the Indian economy. National Highway 1. The NH1 covers some portion in northern India that links the national capital New Delhi to the town of Attari in Punjab near the India-Pakistan international border. The highway originally started from Lahore in Pakistan. This is one of the longest and the oldest highways of India. At present day, NH1 passes through Amritsar, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Rajpura, Ambala, Kurukshetra, Karnal, Panipat, Sonipat and Delhi. It runs for a distance for about 456 kilometers. National Highway 7. It is the longest national highway in India. It is a major north-south national highway in India that runs through the states of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. NH7 was laid and is maintained by the Central Public Works Department CPWD. This highway connects several important Indian cities such as Varanasi, Rewa, Jabalpur, Nagpur, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Salem, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Dindigul and Madurai. A major part of NH7 covers the north-south corridor of NHDP. It is officially listed as running over 2,369 kilometers from Varanasi to Kanyakumari. National Highway 6. NH6 or the Great Eastern Road GE is a busy national highway in India that runs through the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, Jharkhand and West Bengal. The highway passes through the cities of Surat, Dhule, Nagpur, Durg, Raipur, Sambalpur and Kolkata. It is officially listed as running over 1,949 km of length from Hanzira to Kolkata. It is the second largest national highway in India. National Highway 17. It is one of the busy national highway in India. It runs in the region of north-south along the western coast of India parallel to the Western Ghats. It connects Panvel near Mumbai to Kochi, passing through the states of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. NH17 is also known as Mumbai-Goa Highway in Maharashtra. It is the 7th longest highway in India with 1,296 kilometers. As part of the rationalization of highway numbering, this highway is assigned with the number NH66. The segment of NH47 from Kochi to Kanyakumari is merged with this highway, making it end at the southernmost point of India. The NH17 passes through hills, forests, rivers, rivulets and streams, generally flowing westwards towards the Arabian Sea. Most of this region has typical scenes like coconut trees dotted all along with paddy fields and areca nut gardens. Now, coming to National Highway 4. NH4 is a major national highway in western and southern India. It links 4 popular cities of the 10 most populous cities in the country: Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore and Chennai. NH4 is 1,235 kilometers in length and passes through the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. NH4 constitutes approximately 90% of the Golden Quadrilateral's Mumbai-Chennai segment. The highway is known as Pune-Bangalore Road in some parts of Karnataka. The Mumbai-Pune section of the highway was supplemented by the Mumbai-Pune Expressway in the year 2000. The highway passes through populated towns and cities of Maharashtra and Karnataka, namely Satara, Karad, Kolhapur, Belgaum, Dharwad, Hubli, Davangere and Tumkur. The Bangalore-Chennai section of the highway is supplemented by the triangle of national highways NH7, NH46 and returns back to NH4 at Ranipet. Next, National Highway 48. NH48 is now renamed as NH75. This national highway is running entirely within the state of Karnataka. It links the coastal city of Mangalore with the state capital city of Bangalore, which are the two major cities of Karnataka state. NH48 passes through the towns of Nelamangala, Kunigal, Hassan, Sakleshpur, Uppinangadi and BC Road. It climbs the Western Ghats through the Shiradi range. Total length of this highway is 328 kilometers. Golden Quadrilateral. The Golden Quadrilateral is a highway network connecting India's four largest metropolises, for example, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata, thus forming a quadrilateral of sorts. The GQ project is managed by the National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. The shortest national highway. The shortest national highway network in India is National Highway 47A or NH47A. It covers a distance of 6 kilometers between Kundanur and Willingdon Island in Kochi, Kerala. It starts from the junction of NH47 at Kundanur. Now, moving on to expressways in India. An expressway is a highway with controlled access and it controls entrances to it and exits from it by incorporating the design of the slip roads from entry and exit. Expressway may be free to use and may not collect toll at all, so it is not to be confused with toll roads. Expressways are the highest class of roads in the Indian road network. There are 6 or 8 lane highways with controlled access. Moving on to road development project in the hilly region, northeastern region and other isolated areas. The development of roads in the hilly region has special problems due to difficult terrain, heavy precipitation, rich biodiversity, fragile hills and high seismicity. Roads serve as the principal mode of transport for movement of goods and passengers with a share of over 90% in the total movement by surface transport in the region. The national highways are the main channels of road network in this region. To address the special needs of the region, government has approved a special project for development of roads in the northeastern region under Special Accelerated Road Development Program of the northeastern region. Research and development in road development. The main push of research and development (R&D) in the road sector is to build a sustainable road infrastructure comparable to the best roads in the world. The various components of this strategy include the improvement in design plan, modernization of construction techniques of the roads, introduction of improved material to meet the requirements to latest trends, evolving better and appropriate specifications in the construction of roads, encouraging development and the use of new technologies. Some of the major schemes for the development of the roads are as follows. Development of GIS based National Highways Information System, guidelines for soil nailing techniques in highways engineering, pilot study on effect of overloading on road infrastructure, investigation on field performance of bituminous mixes with modified binders, R&D studies on performance evaluation of rigid pavements on high density traffic corridors using instrumentation supported by laboratory tests.